Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're doing great. Matthews here from NAS100 Forex Traders. We have a very beautiful setup right here. A 1 to 15 risk to reward ratio on NASDAQ. Raising about 44 pips to potentially make around 633 pips right here on this particular pair right here. But before we go on, we have a situation right now. Okay, so you can see that this is our official M&F Forex Traders page on Facebook, and you can see that this page has been suspended for the reasons that I'm not really sure of, and we're trying to work around this right here. And in the meantime, we've created another page which is M&F Forex Traders 2.0 right here, and currently we have like 35 followers right here. So I'll link the link down in the description, and kindly follow this page because this is where I'm going to be posting all the content on Facebook right here. Okay, so follow this page right here. M&O Forex Traders 2.0 is our page on Facebook because the other one has been suspended for the reasons that I'm not aware of, right? So this is where I'm going to be sharing all our updates and all those things right here. So make sure you follow it down in the description. All right, so let's get back to the video. So you can see that right now we have a very beautiful drop based rally with a break of structure, which also had a QML right here. And apart from this, we had this market breaking structure to the upside with big momentum candles. And now we can see that the market was retracing to the downside. And you can see that the Asian session right now is yet to be taken out. And that's what we want. Right now, we want the low of the Asian session to be taken out before we can see the market going to the upside. Why am I looking for buying opportunities on this particular market right here? Let's go to the higher time frame. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What can we see? We've seen the market keep on giving us higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows, just like that. Therefore, the safest thing to do right now is to actually look for buying opportunities because this is continuing with the predominant trend right now. So it's as simple as that. You can go right here. So you can see that we have a drop based rally with the break of structure and the kind of candles that broke structure were big momentum candles, and you can see that this high was taken out by this. So we basically just wait for the market to retrace into this area. You can get your field retracement, get from the low to the high. You can see that around this area right here is where we have a premium zone right here. Therefore, all you have to do is just go to the lower time frame and find your order block, so the market can either respond to this or this right here. And that's the reason I've marked both zones right there. So if you look at it critically, you can realize that this zone was taken out by this area right here. Therefore, the safest one would be actually waiting for the market to react from this zone right here, since it hasn't been mitigated yet right here. So we have to look out and see how the market responds once it comes into this area, and then that's when we're going to make a particular decision to actually either wait it out or just actually buy. So it's as simple as that. It's a very, very textbook setup, and all we have to do is just wait for confirmation, and once we have that, we'll actually be able to actually take this particular trade and share it in our premium signals community. And actually, before we were actually taken down, let me show you what was happening. We were actually running a promotion, and we had literally just hit 18,000 followers on our Facebook page, as you can see from here, right here. After hitting this, we wanted to actually celebrate this by giving you guys a situation where you literally just pay. For example, you pay $18 for signals monthly instead of you paying $50, and then also you could just pay $180 instead of you paying $250 for lifetime signals and lifetime mentorship. And regardless of what happened on this particular page, you can still take advantage of this offer because we already give it out to you guys. All right, so if you're interested in this, there'll be links down in the description. Text me via Telegram, and I'll be able to actually give you this offer if you're interested. Otherwise, like I said, this our official with 18,000 followers has been suspended, and we don't know how long this is going to take. We're going to try and bring it back, but you can take advantage and actually follow this other page right here which we've created. And that's how it is, guys. So I hope that you actually found value in this video. And if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. Let's go.